Hello. Today we are going to discuss three different words. These three different words have the same pronunciation, but they have totally different meanings. These words are there, there, there. Now we can see they are having the same pronunciation, but let's dig deeper in the meaning of the three words. There, which the first one, it refers when I'm pointing to something. There is a pen on the table. There is a child in the room. There is a dog next to me. There is a dog next to me. This is the first word, there. The second word, there, which is an abbreviation of they are. There. So we can say they're at school, which means they are at school. They're at school. They're eating. They are eating. The third there is the possessive form of the third person plural pronoun they. As an example, Anne and Paul studied for their English exam. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thumb up.